Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you always happy in all situations. Let me introduce myself. My name is Viona Sharaswati from University of Bina Insan, Computer Engineering System student. So in this videos, I will explain about how to use C++. C++ is a fully featured graphical IDE or integrated development environment that uses MinGW compiler system. First step is you have to install C++ on your computer. You can install it via Chrome. You can search C++ on search bar. Then choose searchforge.net and wait until it opens. After the website is open, click the download button and wait it until finished. Open C++ on your computer and open it. Then the display will be like this. Now we will make new file for write code. Click File Before. Then click New and choose Search File. The display will be like this. You can write your code now. Now is step to compile your code. You can click Execute and then click Compile. Now your code is ready to use. Thank you for watching these videos. With me in the next videos, okay? Bye bye!